Okay, so we're here at VinFast booth. So this is the MP7. It's VinFast MP7 priced 1.239 with battery subscription. Without, it's 1.5 million. It's really nice. So let's take a look. Has a nice side profile naman. So as you can see, maraming nag-check because if you're looking for a family practical full EV, I think magandang option tong VinFast MP7. So here's the quick look around. So let's check the interior. Wow. So ganda na interior niya. Leather seats. Let's try. Okay. So okay naman. Yung interior niya, minimalist din. And also gandang NVH. And maliit lang yung ano niya, infotainment, and it's not, hindi siya ganun ka techy unlike no other Chinese EVs. Pero if you're looking talaga for a practical 7-seater, I think this is a 7-seater. Ang ganda naman siya. Very practical. And I think hindi naman siya ganun ka expensive. So, ayun. How do you open this? Oh, nice.
Meron lang sa amin, asphalt lang.
Okay. Very nice.
Depende.
Let's check the back. Here's the back. Second row. It's slightly elevated. Oh. So yung second row is slightly elevated pala siya. Meron ding second row AC vents. Naka-fold yung seats. Sa third row. Okay, let's check the trunk. Let's check the trunk. So, okay, power tailgate din naman, I think. So, ito yung third row. Naka-fold lang siya. Okay siya. I'm just not looking for a 7-seater kasi. But, if you want a 7-seater family practical car na full EV, cannot go wrong with the VinFast MP7. Very nice din naman yung likod. The side profile. Okay, so let's look at the VF6. Ganda oh. Parang coupe style. VF6, full EV, sportier look. That's a sportier look. And of course, medyo mas mahal lang. 1.4 with battery, 1.7 without. Nice. So this is the VF5. Maliit pala siya. So,
kumuray.
siguro this will compete with yung mga EX2, Ion UT. Tignan natin yung likod. Ganda din naman. Parang feeling ko nga ito yung magiging competition niya. Charge. Yeah. So, tingnan natin yung price. Yung price niya. Gano ba siya? So 949 with battery subscription, 1,099,000 without. Yeah. Pretty much lahat ng grill or front grill ng VinFast is all the same in design. So let's check the interior. Maganda yung segment ngayon ng mga hatchback. Oh, mo. Kung gusto mo lang ng practical car na EV din, na hindi naman malaki or dalawa lang kayo for city driving, pwede na rin to. But, if tatanungin nyo ako, I think I would choose the Geely EX2 over this. Kasi 949, konti na lang, naka Geely EX2 ka na. With better interior, premium feels, yung leather. It's just, I think EX2, mas okay siya overall. For me. Yeah. Okay. So that's the VF5. Okay, so we're inside the MG4 Urban. I think ito yata yung base model, or I don't know. Maybe it's a different spec MG4. Pero what I like about the MGs are the steering wheel. Maganda talaga yung steering wheel design nila. So aircon vents, the infotainment, may glove box naman. And I think wireless charging din to. Here, compartment. And ang ganda ng aircon design. So kung naririnig nyo, Ben and Ben is playing sa may Toyota booth. So, ayun. Here's the back part. So, ito pa rin yung hatchback nila ng MG4. Okay, so here's the MG HS plug-in hybrid. Very nice interior. But the shift knob. There's a design. Cup holders, AC vents. And then HS plug-in hybrid.
1.5 cup.
Meron ding
Ito yung
sunroof.
yes po. Yan yung hindi plug-in hybrid, sir. 1398. Kapresyo lang, sir, ng ano.
Okay.
Yan itong 7-seater.
Here's the interior.
Mas expensive to kaysa...
Bale, inano na nila to, sir, eh. In-upgrade na nila. Bale, may